Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I created this super simple, quick and easy fresh face makeup look. I posted a picture last week on Instagram and you guys really liked it. It's so easy to achieve and this is my go-to when I am in a hurry or if I just work early and I don't want to get out of bed and do a full glam look. Let me find who this week's shout out is. I didn't even have anything prepared. Hold on, I have screenshots. I have the receipts in here. Do you guys love my phone case? I'll link it down below. Not spawn. Today's shout out is, and I'm sorry if I pronounced your name wrong, is Naomi Terrazas. I'm going to post a screenshot so you guys can see. Thank you so much for blowing up my Instagram and showing me love. If you guys would like a shout out on one of my videos, just show me love on social media. All of the links will be down in the description box below. I hope the lighting is okay for you guys. In my last two videos, the lighting was a little bit too bright. I'm just messing around with the settings in my camera, trying to figure it out, so bear with me and hopefully my videos will just keep getting better. I'm going to start with my foundation and I'm using the Clinique Acne Solution. I normally do my eyes first, but I don't really do a lot of eye makeup for this look, so I'll start with my face first. And then I just really quickly just go in with my sponge. You guys can see I have quite a bit of redness and a little bit of breakouts more than normal right now. So I'm just going to cover that up. And even though this is quick and simple, I still do pretty similar to my normal face routine. I do like a very full coverage look. Hi, bye. This is my mood. Of course, I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I am so excited to try out the new Tarte Shape Tape foundation. I cannot wait. My RCMA No Color Powder. And to bronzer, of course, Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I'm just going to use this and not be as precise, but I do want a very bronzed look. So, and this is my Morphe M523 brush. It looks like this. This is my contouring brush. I want to be very bronzed, very glowy. Now going in with the bigger Morphe M527 brush just to blend out my bronzer even more so. Oh, that's kind of a lot. Okay. Oh well, whatever. I'm not going to bake under the cheeks. We're in too big of a hurry right now. So now I'm going to go in with my Morphe M501, my favorite highlighting brush. So this is my favorite Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerriero highlighting palette. So when I don't have a lot of time to do my eyes, I overcompensate with my highlight. I'm going to go in with this Forever Young shade. Oh yes. You guys can actually see my highlight now that I fixed the settings. Going in with my Morphe E36, this little guy. Hit that Forever Young shade right into the inner corner. Oh! That is an inner corner glow. So I'm going to hit it with that Forever Lit shade. Just right there. And then in that picture, the blush that I used was the Tarte Paaarty blush. And I believe this came in the Tarte birthday gift at Sephora. I don't know if they still have that one, but if it's your birthday month, go to Sephora and see if they have this as your free gift. Oh, I really went in with the cheeks. It's kind of hard for me to tell, and the lighting in here is different. And now you guys can really see it. I kind of like go like this just with my blush brush and like all over my eye like this. Because I don't have time really to do eyeshadow, but I want like a little bit of color there. You guys, this is what I do when I'm just in a hurry. You do what you gotta do. Blend the bronzer and the highlight together so it doesn't look like a stripe. I do go in with just a blending brush and I dip into my bronzer actually, and then I just brush this into the crease. I want to set all of this with my MAC Fix Plus because when I do a look like this, I want to be glowy and dewy and look just very fresh and very awake. So I'm going to just set all of this so it melts into my skin. And that feels so refreshing. It like wakes you up. So just let it melt in. I feel like I put so much bronzer on. Sometimes I'll take my palette and fan myself with it, no shame. I'm gonna go in with the Benefit Gimme Brow. I don't go in with dip brow pomade or anything when I do this look. This is one of my absolute favorite brow products because you guys are gonna see right now what a difference just with this little, let me show you. This is what this brush looks like. It's just this really tiny little brush. Really quickly. No extra product, just like whatever was on this brush beforehand. And just extend my brow tail. Those are my brows. They're not perfect, they're not even. But you guys, I don't really care because I'm in a hurry and at least I had time to do anything to my brows. I am going to move on to mascara. This is my L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Now, since I typically wear fake lashes for my everyday life, my regular lashes are a little bit mangled, a little bit sparse. I'm not obsessed with them. I do feel a little bit naked without my fake lashes, but this is just my fresh face. My lips in that picture, I did do lip liner, liquid lipstick, and gloss, which I wouldn't normally do that much when I'm in a hurry, but I'm recreating that picture, so I will do that. And I did use the Clinique Lip Blush Quickliner for lips. The lipstick that I used was the Tarteist Lip Paint in the shade Festival. I actually really love this color. It's really mauvey and beautiful. And then I went in with the gloss, which, did we bring her to the table? We did. This is the Bare Minerals gloss in the shade Sugar. I really love this. Jaclyn Hill recommended this. My issue, it straight up smells like Play-Doh. It smells like Play-Doh so strong that you smell it throughout the day. So if you guys are sensitive to scents and you're not fond of the scent of Play-Doh in your mouth area, I wouldn't recommend it, but it is a beautiful gloss. It's a beautiful color. It's a beautiful formula. Creates a very beautiful pink glossy look. And this is also my trick, my 3 steps to having your lipstick last all day. Lip liner, lipstick, and then gloss. Doing those 3 will make your lipstick last so much longer. This is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And also please comment down below what other videos you would like to see me do in the future, or comment down below if you have suggestions on my lighting or if you think this lighting looks good. I think it does look a lot better than my last video. Subscribe if you guys are not subscribed. Click the little bell, turn on your notifications. If you guys want to reach me, I am on Snapchat always, so links to all my social media in the description, as you guys know. Anyways, oh, I got this hoodie from H&M if you guys like it. I'm kind of obsessed with it. Hold on, can I just show you guys? How freaking cute is this? It is so cute. Okay, I'm actually going to be late to work. Yeah, I need to leave exactly right now if I want to have time to get my coffee, which I need coffee. So I'll see you guys next Friday. Love you all so much. Goodbye.